Hi, today I'm going to talk about one of crochet kits from last drop at Action discount stores. I honestly didn't plan to get any, and my local store usually doesn't have the good crochet stuff that Action offers, but my boyfriend got me some of Avec crochet kits at a different location. And one of them is this crochet Dachshund. Crochet kits from Avec usually retail for around €4. I have done amigurumi from those kits before, and I would say that they are hit or miss. First, and I think the most important thing, is that the yarn included in this kit is not the best quality. I have a feeling that it went down over the years since I tried it for the first time. And, as I'm thinking about it, it could be that I just have more experience with multiple types of yarn. Maybe it's just my subjective opinion. I don't know. I'm not sure. But even if it got worse, I think I can understand the reasoning behind it. I mean, over the years, everything went up in price, and those crochet kits actually stayed at around €3-4. And we also experienced shrinkflation. And I'm not sure if it's a case of shrinkflation when it comes to the quality of the yarn. Definitely not the case when it comes to the quantity, because we always get enough yarn to make our toy. And I had one crochet kit from Rikorumi that didn't have enough yarn, so yeah, there is that. We also get more than enough stuffing, which is nice because you can use leftovers for other projects. Needle included in this kit is teeny tiny, but very handy. I liked working with it due to how precise and sharp it is. But if you have any kids or pets in the house, you have to be super careful and don't lose it. We also get 3.5mm crochet hook. It's a good basic hook, and I keep using the ones that I received in my previous kits. But this time I decided to size down and used 2.5mm crochet hook. I think that smaller crochet hook is a better choice for this acrylic yarn. Because Action stores are operating in multiple countries, we get instructions in multiple languages. Unfortunately, English instructions are not included inside, but I discovered that if you scan QR code on the box, they are included in PDF version. It wasn't a big deal for me. I used Dutch instructions, but it's funny for me how it works with my brain because my native language is Polish and we have Polish instructions included in this kit. But for some reason, I just cannot comprehend Polish instructions. I have a harder time understanding what they want me to do in Polish. I guess it has to do with the fact that I learned how to crochet in English, and then I got some crochet kits that only had Dutch instructions, and I learned how to read those, but I cannot do it in my native language. And I guess this brings me to another important question that I try to answer with my videos. And the question is, how beginner friendly those crochet kits are. Honestly, if you just started crocheting, I wouldn't recommend the crochet kit from Avec. They, of course, include video instructions, but the way their patterns are written may be a little bit confusing at first and discourage complete beginners. I have seen people online offering to pay someone to work on the toy because they gave up and their child is waiting for this dachshund. But if you have some experience and you don't plan to make your first stitches with this crochet kit, you may want to give it a try. I really don't think that crochet kits, especially amigurumi crochet kits, are the best way to learn how to do it. There are better ways. For example, YouTube. If you made it so far, I would like to thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!